got this insane box of goodness from Scorch Marker. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I love that it says, let's get crafting on it. So what did they send? They say that if you can draw it, you can burn it. And it's Crafting Made Easy by Scorch Marker. So first thing I noticed was this burlap bag that I opened up, and inside were these wooden tree rounds that I can use with their product, and there are 5 of them in this set. And then this little thing is, I believe, a funnel. So it's a collapsible funnel. Sorry for crinkling. Get that plastic out of the way. And look how cute this little collapsible funnel is in orange. What a great Scorch Marker color. And then we have Scorch paint. Now this is heat activated, and it's a wood burning paint. So you apply this onto your wood round, and then you apply heat, and it acts like a wood burning tool. Much safer, much more exact, I would say, in how you can apply it. Then they also make this Scorch Marker Pro Wood Burning Made Easy marker. And you can see that it includes 2 tips, a brush tip, and a bullet tip. And I believe, because this opens up, I believe it is refillable with the paint, but we'll have to give it a try to see. I'm not positive about that, and I haven't been told that that's the case. I am just kind of guessing that it is possible to refill them. So then it also comes with this great sandpaper kit. This is so useful. I can't wait to open this up and look at it. Looks like, yeah, there's a bunch of different kinds of sandpaper in here, and then a very easy handle for sanding. And then the last item, oh, it says, hey, you're a beautiful human, keep crafting. Isn't that sweet? Okay, the last thing is Maker's Magic. And this is the first thing that I became aware of Scorch Marker with, was that Maker's Magic. And you may have seen the comparison of this to other decoupage mediums. This one happens to be glossy. I know that they also have a matte. This is a #1 all-purpose waterproof sealer, craft glue, project finish, and decoupage medium. So thank you to Scorch Marker for sending this to me, and I can't wait to get busy and show you how all of this works.